In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop recording in Loom. Whether you're using the Loom Chrome extension or the desktop application, this guide will walk you through the simple steps needed to bring your recording to a close. Stopping your recording is a straightforward process, but I'll make sure we cover everything you need to know. Let's start with those of you using the Loom Chrome extension. Once you've finished capturing what you need, take a look at the recording control bubble on your screen. That's where your stop button lives. It's usually nestled at the bottom of the bubble and tagged with a small square icon. A single click here is all it takes to end your recording session. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a handy option for that as well. For Windows users, it's Ctrl, Shift, and L. Meanwhile, if you're on a Mac, hitting Command, Shift, and L will do the trick. These shortcuts can be a time saver, especially if you want to wrap things up quickly without searching for the control bubble. Now, let's move over to the desktop app. Ending your recording here is just as simple. Inside the app interface, you'll find the stop control, which functions much like the button on the Chrome version. Click it to halt your recording instantly. It's designed to be intuitive, so don't worry about fumbling around. And once again, keyboard shortcuts offer a convenient alternative. Using Ctrl, Shift, and L on a Windows computer or Command, Shift, and L on a Mac will allow you to stop the recording effortlessly. Utilizing these options consistently can streamline your workflow, ensuring a smooth experience while you're juggling multiple tasks. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with both methods, as this can be incredibly beneficial in varied working environments, whether you're navigating through the web interface or operating directly from your desktop. If you're aiming for maximum efficiency, memorizing the shortcuts for your device can be particularly helpful. They're universal across both platforms, which is fantastic for muscle memory and cuts down on confusion if you switch between the extension and the app. Furthermore, practicing these steps ensures you won't forget them in the middle of a presentation or important recording session. By following these clear instructions, you'll be well equipped to manage your Loom recordings with ease. Remember, becoming comfortable with these controls allows you to focus more on your content and less on the technicalities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process as seamless as possible for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.